She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. You know, I don't appreciate the chase.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Some of y'all are like, girl, I feel like I just saw that shirt. You probably did. Okay, you probably did. I am bulk filming, y'all. I got a lot of things just kind of coming up, and I'm just not one of them people that care about having on the same clothes. Okay, so don't judge me. But anyways, the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. Shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I have worked with this company once before, and like, honey, they came through with the come through, and they definitely came through with the come through again. Okay, so shout out to you, Hermosa. So the unit that I am rocking this go around is their 13x4 HD Waterwave human hair wig. I have it in 26 inches, and it's 220% density. So I'm gonna go on their site, and on their site, the unit is called Glueless Waterwave 13x4 HD Lace Front Wig, Pre-Plucked Natural Hairline, 100% virgin human hair, and it is available in 12 to 32 inches. As I stated, I do have it in 26, and the lace sizes that they have is 13x4, 13x6, and 5x5, and the densities that they have available is 150, 180, and 220%. It says transparent lace front human hair wig, skin melted HD lace, Waterwave wig, natural black, and then it does say it has baby hair around the perimeter, but I did not utilize the baby hairs because I did not feel like they were necessary. I felt like this unit looks really nice without using any baby hairs, but if you want to, you can definitely throw some baby hairs up in it, girl. Okay, it's your wig. You do what you want to with your wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, honestly, I did not notice any. That's not to say that old girl won't do it at some point, but straight out of the packaging, she's not doing any of the things. Now, I did decide to bleach the knots on this wig, and they did bleach nicely, in my opinion. That's something else that I don't know. If you don't want to do it, I don't think it's necessarily necessary, but I did decide to do it. As far as this wig being big head friendly, I personally feel like it is. I feel like it is medium to large head friendly. I do also, you probably could still make it work if you have a smaller head. With their wigs, just like with the other unit that I have from this company, it's just like it makes the process just effortless. Like literally putting it on is nothing. Like it just fits perfectly, which is a huge plus, okay, for me. So as far as frontals go, this is like probably one of the most beginner friendly frontals that I've had, other than the other unit from this company. So shout out to y'all for making your wigs just fit perfectly, okay? Shout out to you, boo. You the real MVP. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now we can go ahead and get into my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, and then we can wrap this down. Wait up. Alright, y'all, so you already know what my con is. It's just the fact that it's a 13 by 4, and that is just really me throwing something out there. This wig really didn't have any other cons, honey, okay? So I just threw that out there. So that is the con. Now, the pros with this wig is, first of all, the hairline is everything. It is super beginner friendly as far as frontals go, in my opinion. The fact that the lace just kind of melted and just was easy to put on, also a huge pro. And also, I love the texture. You can't go wrong with Waterwave. Even if it's a lot of hair, it's not super heavy, it's never super tangly. It just feels good and really lightweight. So that is also a plus with this wig. Alright, y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. All right, y'all. So once again, I'm feeling this wig. It's a look, it's a vibe. It is all of the things. If you are interested in getting this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and having such amazing units. Okay, y'all are really coming through. So shout out to y'all. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking,